Blue Dream Pool has done a phenomenal job replastering my pool. Hikmet and Kevin and his crew have just been amazingly wonderful. I needed to have a repair on the tile of the hot tub that another pool company had really messed up, and Blue Dream just did a spectacular job. I could not be happier. I recommend them to everybody, and I will certainly use them for any more pool work I ever do.
We also made plaster, right?
Absolutely.
How do you find plaster job?
The plastering is just gorgeous. I love the color. It sparkles, it's beautiful. It just could not be prettier. Everything went so smoothly and so well and so easily. And Hikmet, Kevin, everybody has just been wonderful.
Thank you so much.
My